Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do discord.py tutorials, and this is part 1 of discord.py development. Part 1 is setup. First, you need your own file, like folder, to keep the bot. For example, I made one called tutorial bot, and before you do, you need to install Python on your PC. Python. All the links will be down below. You can click and download them. Python. The first link, you can just go and download it, and you need to go to discord.com/developers. So in this link, you need to make a new application for your bot, which is right here. I've already made an application since this is not my first take, and the previous perfect recording is corrupted. So I have the bot right here. So over here you have to go to bots, and then your bot will be, your application will be a bot. Now this token is very important, and you shouldn't show this token to anyone. Now you want to copy this token and do not give this to anyone. Now you need to pip install Discord. You don't have to worry about this because that's a different bot. I've been lately working on that. So you go to command prompt. You open command prompt. Just like you can go to search and then open it, or just open it somehow. You can just open command prompt and it should work.
Guys, this is Techman. Benitz didn't really show how to actually open command prompt. So basically, to open command prompt, you just have to hover over search, then search cmd. You should get this command prompt right here.
Now you do pip install discord.py. Now I already have it installed, so when I install it again, it's gonna say requirements successfully satisfied. Requirements satisfied. So I don't have to do this, but if you haven't already, you have to pip install discord.py. Or if you're making a music bot, then you do discord.py and then straight bracket voice close straight bracket. As you can see, it says requirements already satisfied, so I already have it installed.
You guys may be confused about this interface which is on Ben's screen. This is actually a IDE. It's a platform where you write, edit, debug, and run your code. The IDE which Ben is using is called Microsoft Visual Studio Code, but I don't recommend that IDE because it's for intermediate and professional level programmers. If you're a beginner, then I recommend you Python's IDE named Idle. You will get it automatically when you download Python. This is simple, but if you want more customization and change interface colors and stuff, then you can use Atom. I personally use this. It's free, and most importantly, anyone can use this.
Installed. Now you go into your bot file, and then you make a new file called index. You can name this anything, but it has to have a .py, and I recommend you to have it as one argument, like index.py. That's what I'm gonna call it. Now after you opened the file, now the first thing you do is import Discord, and then go to another line and then do from discord.ext import commands. And then over here, we're using the bot decorator. So it's going to be bot equals, and then commands dot bot, and then brackets, and then you do command equals, and then now you can do these square brackets. What this allows is for you to make lists. For example, I'm going to make 2 prefixes. One's going to be this, and one's going to be this. Now, you go to the next line, and then you do a token. And then you're going to put your token here. My token is blurred because I don't want you guys accessing my bot. It could end dangerously, so I'm gonna blur it. Now you do a onReady event, and now what I'm doing right now is not gonna have any commands except for the default help command. Except for that, there's going to be no commands. It's just going to go online. It's just a basic setup. Now you do bot.event, and then async def, asynchronous def, and then you do onReady. Now what I've just done is, this is called the onReady bot event. Now over here I'm going to print a word. I'm going to print out bot is ready. This means the bot is ready and it can do all the commands and stuff. Now you're going to end your stuff now. Now what you do is you do bot.run. This is essentially going to run the bot, and then you do token. Easy as that. Your bot is done. So it's not that hard. This is very simple. This is bare minimum. What am I saying? This is bare minimum of a bot. It doesn't have any commands. It just goes online. It doesn't have any status. Nothing fancy. It's just there. Now I'm going to save this. Now I'm going to go to the folder, and then do cmd. This will open command prompt on this folder. Now when you're here, you do Python. When you do Python, it launches the file with Python. So now you're going to do Python index.py. Now this will turn on the bot. It will run the bot, and when it's ready, it's gonna say ready. Bot is ready. Okay, the bot is online, and now you should invite the bot, and you should go to OAuth2 over here. Now you go and click on bot, since this application is a bot, and then you if you want, you can give administrator, but in my case I'm not gonna do that. So you can copy this link and you can invite the bot. In my case, I already have it invited, so I'll just go to the server where it is. As you can see, by the way, this is my server that I made for young Discord developers. The link is down in the description. It's discord.py for beginners, as it says. So we did the prefix question mark and the greater than sign, right? So I'm going to do question mark help. As you can see, it worked, and I'm going to do the same thing but with the greater than sign. As you can see, it worked. So the bot is online and it did respond to the commands, and when you add commands, it will get added to this list. You can easily remove this help default help command, and you can add a custom one, but I will show that in a different video. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.